What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Burley, and today we're going to play with 3D printers. Alright guys, welcome back. Hope you guys like the new graphic there for the channel. My buddy Jeremy made that, and we went ahead and collaborated with that. After back and forth many times, we went ahead and went with that logo. So expect that logo to be on some t-shirts, and we'll go ahead and put all that information on our social media pages when we are ready to launch that. Hoping to launch that here in the next month or so. So keep an eye out for that. Check out the Twitter and Instagram and the Facebook page. Here we go. Remember this, the GoPro. My fiance's GoPro. We bought this thing used, and when we got it for a really good price, and it's a GoPro Hero 5, and it did not come with the little frame. GoPro calls it the frame, and that's what you use to attach it to different mounts, handlebars on the bike, head strap, just anything, selfie stick. All of the accessories needs this frame that has some micro mounting points on it, and this did not come with that. And being a new GoPro user, I did not know that it needed that. So had we known that, we maybe have bought something different, but we didn't know. So today we're going to go ahead and make this frame with our 3D printer. I was looking online and I found somebody modeled one, and it's perfect. It fits all the way around like it should with the little micro points, and we're going to go ahead and show that. We're going to go ahead and figure out what we did with all that and go from there. So come on guys, come with me. We're going over to the computer. Alright guys, welcome back. Sorry for the this is webcam footage here on the computer. So what we have here is Thingiverse, and what we did was we just typed in GoPro Hero 5 in Thingiverse and we hit search. And what it's going to do is it's going to take forever to load, because Thingiverse, for whatever reason, has been very slow lately, and I don't know what's going on or any of that. And so what I did was there's all sorts of stuff here, and what I found was, let's see here, I think we passed it right here, GoPro Hero 5 Black Edition case plus micro mount. And what it has is we have just a picture of the model here with the micro mount, the different holes. Here's one for the side button. Here's one here that we can just see the edge of for the top button. So I went ahead and we clicked download all files. And so what it's going to do is it's going to open up a little download bar on the bottom, and I'm gonna put all the information down in the description here. So keep that in mind. Go ahead and do that if you need this. And we're gonna see here on the bottom, the camera is currently over it. But we can do this. So at the bottom here is our zip file. If we open it with WinZip and bring that over here, we should be able to see the WinZip. I broke it. Oh, please hold. We want a display capture. That's what we want. Oh no. Display 2. There we go. And move the display capture down. Alright, so we went ahead and there we go. So I'm going to go ahead. What I do is I extract, apologize for the technical delays here. I have a folder called 3D prints. So if I click on that, we see that we already have it here. So we've already done that. So we're not going to extract it again. So we'll go ahead and run back over to the desktop and find our folder that says 3D prints. And I'm having a hard time because apparently I am blind. So, do. 3D. 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 3 Where is it? There it is. 3D prints over here. Excuse me for that. So 3D prints, GoPro Hero 5, and our files. And then what I did was I did the GoPro 5 case V2. And we'll go ahead and open that. And in Cura is the program that I use for all of my 3D print STLs. It's my slicer of choice. It works really well with my mono price, and excuse me as it takes a second to load. It's kind of freaking out here for a second. There we go. So it's loading the file now. It's telling me that 4.4 is available, but we'll go ahead and not have to worry about 4.4. Oh, now it's not responding. Yay! So hopefully, there it goes. Kind of a quick overview of my settings here. Layer height 1.5. Wall thickness is 1 millimeter with 3 wall lines. Top and bottom layers is 4. Eye infill 25%. And we're printing black PLA, so we're printing at 205 and 60 millimeter second print speed. And this I accidentally did supports, but I've printed this already and it came out well. So if we slice it, the supports actually broke off really easy. So if we go ahead and go to slice, 1 hour 29 minutes, it's gonna take 16 grams of filament. So not very much. The roll I have is very large, and the frame on Amazon and places like that was anywhere between $10 and $25. And so I thought, we could just print this. So let's go ahead and send this over to the printer, and let's go take a look and see what happens. Alright guys, we're doing a little GoPro footage here. What did you guys think? So here's the print. We're going to go ahead and release it from the print bed, and we see that what I use is a glue stick on the base here to get it to stick, and so this is what we have. We have a nice little frame, and when we did the supports, we did some we can see some support pieces here. We can see we had a little bit of stringing and some support pieces in the bottom there. So let's go ahead and rip all these supports out, and we'll show you what it looks like. printed. Now we can attach it to our accessory kit that we bought. Now we can do some selfies. Selfies! What's up? And we can just hang out and have a good time, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, links down in the description for everything that we used here today. Links to the printer as well as the GoPro and the file that we found. I very much appreciate the creators on Thingiverse that can design this stuff because I'm not that good at it. But hey, that's besides the point, guys. Like I said, keep your eye out on YouTube for me, more videos, and keep your eye out on Twitter and things like that for links to the merch shop when it opens. All right, guys, we'll see you later. Have a good day.